Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Andy. Today we will be modifying our cheap AliExpress intake by fitting the biggest purple air filter I could find. On the left we have the stock air filter, in the middle we have a red velocity stack filter, but first let's talk about the purple air filter. As you can already see, it's a very big air filter, and this is probably the biggest one I can fit in the engine bay of the Stadion Cupra. The brand name is ITSOK, and it also says performance air filter. As you can see, this is a dual cone setup, meaning that it has another small cone filter in the top of the filter. Also, as we look at the edges, there seems to be no internal velocity stack, meaning there's quite a harsh ridge from the filter towards the neck. The second air filter we have in this lineup is this big red velocity stack air filter. It's especially wide and not per se that high. The brand is RIAYOOE, and it has a removable velocity stack, as you can see right here, meaning that there's good optimal airflow towards the intake. And the last air filter is the provided air filter with the SK import intake that I bought. It's quite small. It has some marks, some indentations over here, which is of course less than optimal, but for the price point I'm not complaining. It is also a dual cone setup, meaning there's a second cone filter inside the top of the air filter, and as you can see there's also no internal velocity stack, meaning a harsh crossover from the air filter towards the neck. Let's see again how they would look in the engine bay. This is how the stock filter would look. Looks okay, but as you can see there's quite some room to fit a bigger air filter. Let's see how the red filter would look like on the intake pipe, and also of course take in the purple air filter as the last step. This seems to be an easy fit, just a silicone joiner and 2 hose clamps, and of course I test fitted this setup as well. Fitting the red air filter was very easy, and it also looks very well in the engine bay. The only downside is that there was not enough clearance for the hood to be closed, and that's especially due to the big diameter of the air filter. So unfortunately I couldn't use this air filter without making bigger modifications. So let's take a look at the purple air filter. As this has a smaller diameter than the red filter, there should not be any clearance issues. Maybe on the headlight side, but that's of course easily fixable by moving the filter more to the left. Let's do a test fit, and then we will see how much of the intake pipe I need to trim off. As you can see, this already looks awesome. I'm very happy with how the purple air filter looks in the engine bay. And this is exactly the look I had imagined with this big purple air filter. Awesome. And as you can see here, I only needed to trim off a little piece of the intake pipe for the smoothest transition from the air filter over into the intake pipe. And then you end up with this. I really like the end result of the small modification that we did. It also makes sure that you get the most value out of the cheap AliExpress intake, which of course is a great result taking into account that the intake only costs about 100 euros. The filter cost me about 30 euros, so for a sub 150 euros this is a great solution. Thanks for watching, and see you all in the next video.